Urashima Taro to find the future, adventure in the digital era. One day, Urashima Taro-kun, a high school student who was addicted to a smartphone, met a mysterious turtle in the sea. Kame says to Urashima Taro-kun, "If you want to know about the future, follow me." Urashima Taro-kun is driven by curiosity and jumps into the sea about the turtle. Then it was the future world 400 years later. In the future world, artificial intelligence and robotics were developing, and new lifestyles were spreading. Although Urashima Taro-kun is confused, he is surprised by the convenience of future technology. However, we also see negative aspects such as environmental destruction and the slightness of human relationships. Urashima Taro-kun struggled to find a way to solve the problems of this future society. In the end, Urashima Taro-kun remembers his precious family and friends and realizes that his place is in modern times. And I got a hint to lead the future in a good direction and went back to the present day. The end.